Summer adventure ba ang hanap mo? Tara, let's ride sa Cabungawan Beach sa Pangasinan. We started our travel to Pangasinan at midnight. The travel is around 300 kilometers from Quezon City and approximately 6 hours of straight travel. The route we took was Quezon City, Bulacan, Nueva Ecija, Tarlac to Pangasinan. Madilim pa nung dumating kami sa Tarlac City. Our travel continues hanggang makarating kami sa mga Tarem sa Pangasinan. And then, early morning nung nakarating kami sa bayan naman ng Alaminos. We continued our journey hanggang marating namin yung location. Ang hanap nga namin ay yung Sitio Cabungawan, kung saan matatagpuan yung resort na aming hinahanap. Upon entry, i-greet ka na ng mga tourism officers. And then after that, you will be asked to pay 20 pesos per head para sa environmental fee. From here, the unexpected adventure begins. Papansin mo talaga agad yung pagiging payapa nitong lugar ng Sitio Cabungawan. And finally, we arrive at the resort na target namin pag-stayan for the day, ang Robin's Place. As you can see guys, plenty of parking space nga dito sa resort na to. Mula sa papasok hanggang sa gilid mismo ng kanilang resort. Diretso parking na nga agad kami para makapag-set up na din agad ng aming mga tent. Pagpasok ka ng resort, ito na nga agad ang sumalubong sa amin. What a view! Mainit ang panahon kaya summer tent lang yung dala namin for this ride. Pero may dala naman kaming canopy para naman maibsan yung init ng sikat ng araw. Setup ng tent namin. Siyempre, ang harap ng tent namin, boom! Dito na rin kami setup ng pagkain namin. Luto kami dyan.
At meron kami free cottage sa likod.
Ay, itong cottage namin nasa likod. Luto muna kami ng almusal. Pero sa ngayon pa lang, parang panalo na kagad. Tamang luto ng almusal. Ganda, di ba? Si Tonyeng, di ka sumama, Tonyeng.
Oo nga, ba't hindi
Sabi ko kasi sa'yo, bumili ka na ng Honda Click, Tonyeng. Para hindi ka na problema. Sa halagang 150 lang, Tonyeng, may ganito ka na.
kayo na kaya? Ito kung mamay ko.
Solid.
Gumana. Ay!
May tindahan pala dun eh. Oo nga, may tindahan siya. Pero hindi kompleto. Wala lang. Basic.
Pero lang po yun. Saan tayo pa kayo yun? Wala ko ba?
Sabi nga tayo, baka natin. Kano ba?
After having our brunch, it's time to take a rest na. Dahil mamayang hapon, gusto naman naming ma-enjoy yung epic na sunset dito sa Kabungawan Beach. By the way guys, mula nga dito, tanaw din yung sikat na depth pool kung tawagin. Dito rin makikita yung malaking Mary Hill signage.
Few moments later.
Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling, it feels like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Yeah, yeah. Little darling, the smiles returning to the faces. And little darling, it seems like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright.
Day 2. Day.
After breakfast, we decided to visit the famous Death Pool. Malapit nga lang yan dito, sa resort namin pinagstayan. You can actually go straight from the beachhead, pero medyo risky yun kasi nga mabato yung iyong dadaanan. So we decided to take the easier route instead. There's a retreat camp near the resort called Mary Hill. You can go there and go down the Death Pool for easier access. Mas madali kasing dumaan doon. A quick 5-minute bumpy travel to this road, and it will lead you to a retreat house called Mary Hill.
Off-roader! Off-roader, tas uphill pa. Hi vlog, welcome to my guys. Off-road gaming po pala dito, papuntang Mary Hill. Diyan nagsama yung daan.
Ano may aso? Pre! Saan yung Mary Hill dito? Kailan tayo? Pre, saan yung Mary Hill? O, dito daw. Dito daw.
Sabi, may kakaliwan. Hindi kaya ba yun?
Ayun, talaga mo si Kuya bulid mo.
Kuya! Wait lang.
One eternity later.
Once you get to Maryhill, do not forget to get permission first before entering. It's a private property kasi and they don't charge, so it's a courtesy to ask them first before entering. From the landmark of Maryhill sign, you can see the long beach of Kabungawan. Warning lang guys, be careful not to fall down the cliff kasi nga medyo bangin yung scenery dito. Kita nga din mula dito yung depth pool and yung spot na pwede mong puntahan. Para makarating sa depth pool, you have to trek down, pababa, dito sa medyo mabatong mga parts ng dagat. It's a bit of a challenge kasi nga medyo sharp and rocky terrain siya. So be careful na lang. Basically, it's an easy trek. Huwag mo lang kalimutang magsuot ng slippers para hindi masugatan yung paa mo.
Kami talang pa.
Maganda pa dyan. Maganda. Yan ang pinakamaganda.
And finally, na-reach na nga namin yung famous na depth pool.
Gusto kong babaeng, kaya lang madulas kaya yan. Parang malumot eh.
Malumot eh.
Babaeng ko yan, pero bumad lang.
Huwag na.
Going to depth pool is for free. So wala siyang bayad, walang entrance fee. Basta mag-iingat ka lang. Keep in mind not to go there in bad weather conditions. Kasi nga, baka pumasok ka o maslip ka dun sa mismong butas ng depth pool.
Oo, ayun na. Huwag ka na lumapit dyan. Ganda, Jade.
Record mo to, record mo.
Bilisan mo!
Yan, kaway-kaway.
Changing every day, every bus to the way. Though my dreams, it's never quite as it seems, never quite as it seems.
And that's it for us here in Cabungawan Beach. If nagustuhan mo naman ang video na to, just hit like and share buttons. Click mo na din ang subscribe button ng aking Facebook and YouTube channel para lagi kang updated sa mga coming adventure rides natin. So paano guys? Tara, let's ride! I'll see you on the road.